Well, hello everyone. This is Jenny again, and we are back now for the second video of today's steps. And this is going to be, we are now going to find our wallet.dat file and paste all the data into our empty new wallet. Now, the first thing that we're going to want to do is we are going to want to pin this wallet to your taskbar. In order to do that, I'm going to minimize it. Now I'm going to go to my taskbar, which I don't think you can see it on the video, but there is a little icon on the taskbar. I'm going to right click on it, and there's a menu comes up, pin this program to the taskbar. I click that, and now this program is going to stay on my taskbar, so it's always there for me to find. So that's the first step, done. It's pinned to my taskbar. I'm going to see if I can pull down the video. No, it doesn't. I don't think it's working. I don't know if it is or not, but in any event, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to minimize my wallet, which is pinned to my taskbar. And I'm going to go into find it's called a hidden folder. And so there will be step-by-step written out, but I'm going to walk you through it. Before I find the hidden folder, I had to go and find my wallet.dat file. Now this is the backup you just made a couple of days ago. Everybody made a fresh backup. You might have it on a flash drive. If you do, plug it into your flash drive, copy it, and put it on your desktop. It just makes it easier right now to have it sitting on your desktop. If you emailed it to yourself, go to your email, find it, copy it, and paste it to your desktop. I had a folder here that I had it in, and I also have it in my email, but I've put it up here onto my desktop for now, just for to make ease to do this next step. So I'm going to take this wallet.dat file, right click, and copy. I have now copied that. I'm going to go to my start menu, click on computer. Before I do that, on your start menu at the top here, you see where mine says user? That is my personal folder. I've never named it, so mine says user. Yours might have your name on it. In one case, it had the name of the last person that owned the computer. But just remember what the name of this folder is at the top of this list, because you're going to be looking for it in a minute. So I'm going to be looking for user. Now I'm going to click computer, double click, and it brings up my hard drive, my disk C. I want to go in there, so I'm going to double click. Now where it says users, everyone has this, users. Double click to open that. Now in here is where you're going to look for that folder with the name. Mine says user, yours might say your name. So we're going to double click that, and up comes user. Now this is where it gets a bit different. The folder we're looking for is not in this list. It's what's called a hidden folder. So you're going to take your cursor and you're going to click in this white area here right beside user. You're just going to click in there. Now you're going to click it again, and makes the highlighting go away. So your cursor is flashing right behind where it says user or your name, whatever you've named that folder. What you're going to actually type in is /appdata. D-A-T-A. APPDATA. This is also written out in your steps, but you're going to be typing in /appdata. Now you're going to hit enter. That brings up this hidden folder, which is called app data. And the only way to get to it is by typing in its name. So now that you're in the app data folder, you're going to see another folder called roaming. Double click to open it. Now in your roaming folder, you're going to see a folder in here called Chingaling. Don't touch it, don't worry about it, just don't open it, just leave it. We're going to be dealing with that one tomorrow. Today what we're doing is we're putting your information back into your new Next Level Africa folder. You should all in this list find a Next Level Africa folder. It got installed in here when you downloaded your cwallet. So you're going to open Next Level Africa, and you're going to see here that there is a wallet.dat file in here. But if you look across, you're going to see it only has 88 KBs. An empty wallet has 88 KBs. What I want to do is I want to paste my wallet in to cover this wallet, to take the place of this wallet. So I'm going to right click and I'm going to go paste because I already have my wallet on my clipboard. Now it's going to ask me, there's already a file in here with the same name because my wallet.dat file says wallet.dat. I should have said this earlier. Sorry about this. It should say wallet.dat. If it says anything else, change the name so it says wallet.dat. So it says I want to copy and replace the file. I want to replace this file. So I'm going to click this, copy and replace. Now, what's happened is, I hope, let's see, yay, yes it did. It took out the empty wallet.dat file and it put in my copy, which has 144 KBs. So I now have my data in my Next Level Africa folder. All we're going to do now is close this folder. Now I'm going to go back to my taskbar, double click to open my wallet. Now it says out of sync. What I need to do now is let it sync. So I'm going to just let this sit and sync for a while now that I've put my new information in. So I'm going to pause the video temporarily. I'm going to put the video on pause and I will be back when this finishes syncing. Okay, 3, 2, 1, and we are back. Now what's happened is I allowed the wallet to sync. So it took a bit of time, but less than an hour, but it did sync. It had a lot of blocks to move in here. And what happened was when I first put the wallet.dat file in, this up in here, it showed out of sync in red, and over here it showed spendable coins, and it was all the coins that I had actually moved over to GEX a few days ago. So the syncing process actually goes through and updates everything that's happened in this wallet. So when it finished syncing, all those coins were gone, and now I have just the fraction of my coin, which is not even one coin, not even a third of a coin here, which is now an NLA coin, because any coins that were left in your left in your Chingaling brown wallet that were not moved to GEX are now converted to the NLA coins. So I just want to show you a couple of things on here. Your overview page, there's your money. Here is your receive coins, is all my wallet addresses. These are all my same wallet addresses. They were all transferred over from the brown wallet to here. Your send coin page looks the same. Transactions, these are all the transactions that I made back in the brown wallet. So really, the data from the brown wallet was just brought and pasted into the gray wallet. The only thing that is different is that the gray wallet was updated, so we should not see so many upgraded, I should have said, so we do not see so many runtime errors or other errors. And that is it. That is all you have to do for today. It's two very important steps for today. Make sure you do pin your icon to your taskbar so it stays there and it's always there for you. And that's it for the video. Thank you so much. And tomorrow we will move on to our next step, which is dealing with that other hidden folder. Don't go ahead and do anything. We're going to send the video out tomorrow for that one. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.